Him, I grew up watching Tito Dolphy and Bernie, who are both stars. Okay, but of course Tito Dolphy is a legend, okay? He's not just a great character actor, but he's a legend. And all of a sudden, I had to be the boss. So yung hirap doon, hindi ba, parang, and si Tito Dolphy, nakita niya yung mukha ko na in awe ako sa kanya. Yung parang, Diyos ko, hindi ko sukat akalain, makakaharap ko itong tao to. Diyos ko, and then suddenly I'm there having to be the boss. And so, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng acting ang gagawin ko. But it was Tito Dolphy who said, no, just do it. You're the boss, you be the boss. And from there, tinuloy-tuloy ko nga yung pagiging boss. And that worked out because he was so welcoming and so, he didn't care that, I was just from Repertory Philippines and whatever, and he's a legend. And, he's always been that inspiring to all of us. And pag tinatanong ko nga siya noon Tito Dolphy, ang galing naman naging career mo, no? And talagang sunod-sunod yung mga hit mo and all this. And he just told me, just keep on and be good, sabi niya ganyan, at whatever you're doing, because you have to, first and foremost, also pray, to God. And I'm so grateful na nandito si Tita Nova dahil si Tita Nova ang talagang nakakapit sa Diyos, okay? Sa aming lahat, siya yung talagang nandyan to remind us all to pray and have faith. But it was Tito Dolphy also who told me that. Kasi sabi niya, alam mo, mas maraming magaling pa sa akin ng mga artista na nakasama ko and all this, pero hindi sila pinalad. So, it's also a matter of opportunity, of having people who are kind enough to help you and give you that chance, that first chance, and for even Tito Dolphy, his second chance. Okay? Kasi naalala mo yung sitwasyon ni Tito Dolphy, nandun siya sa Amerika, and, for a while he was really, messed up because pinanindigan niya yung kanyang love of life na si Jaja. Okay? And he came back and he said, you have to remember to pray because everything being equal. Okay? Magkasing galing kayong lahat, magkasing pareho kayo ng effort. The only thing that matters is luck. This is what he told me. And so I wanna also tell you that this family is also the most prayerful family that you will find anywhere in showbiz. And I'm very grateful to be here and for all that I learned through them. Thank you. I love you all.